Hello. Welcome. Today, we learn CVC words. CVC words. Listen carefully. We read slowly. Listen. K, A, T. 3 sounds. Consonant, vowel, consonant. C, V, C. Now, read with me. K, A, T. Cat, cat. Again. K, A, T. Cat. Good. Now, B, A, T. Bat, bat. Again. B, A, T. Bat. Good. Now, A, N. Man, man. Good job. Now, new vowel. Listen. P, A, N. Pen, pen. Again. P, A, N. Pen. Good. Now, B, A, D. Bed, bed. Good job. Now, listen. S, I, T. Sit, sit. Again. S, I, T. Sit. Good. Now, listen. D, A, G. Dog, dog. Again. D, A, G. Dog. Good. Now, last word. S, N. Sun, sun. Again. S, N. Sun. Very good. Now, pause. Read. Pause. Read again. Great job. You did very well. Read again at home. See you. Goodbye.